Welcome to this quick tutorial in how to use the new build handles. When making a selection, you get to choose where to build from. If you hold Control, you can make a multi-select. And if you build with multiple handles selected, you get conveyor parts on every selection. There is also a change in how to choose the anchor position. That is the red stop symbol. You just click where you want the anchor to be. And if we change property on these ends, the anchor will stay in place. The build handles have become much easier to use. They are available in version 4.2 and forward.